Once a year, go someplace you've never been before. If you've not been to Mbale City, this is your lucky day. Hi, and welcome to Travel with Enock Jaqi. If you missed episode 2 about Fort Portal City, catch it on our YouTube channel, Enock Jaqi. This show runs Wednesdays at 8:30 p.m. and repeats on Sunday, 5 p.m. right here on Magic TV. Please leave us some feedback. We appreciate it. Remember, we don't tell you, we show you. Last week on Travel with Enock Jaqi, we took you to Fort Portal City. We went hiking at Crater Lake Nyamiteza. We toured Lodge Bella Vista and had a chat with 2 travel professionals. This week, we go east to the land of the wise. We take you to Casa Del. We take a hike at Wanale Hill. And for the foodies, we go tasting more dishes. Thank you for watching Magic TV. My name is Enock Jaqi, and the fun starts right now.
Mbale is a city in the eastern region of Uganda. It is the main municipal, administrative and commercial center of Mbale district and the surrounding sub-region. Mbale is approximately 225 kilometers by road northeast of Kampala, Uganda's capital and oldest city. On an all-weather tarmac highway, the city lies at an average elevation of 1,156 meters above sea level. The city also lies on the railway from Tororo to Pakwach. Mount Elgon, one of the highest peaks in East Africa, which is approximately 57 kilometers northeast of Mbale by road. In 2014, the National Population Census put the population at 96,189. In 2019, the Cabinet of Uganda resolved to award Mbale City status effectively July 2021. In November of that same year, Cabinet revised the date of the city status to 1st July 2020. Some notable people from Mbale include Lydia Wanyoto, lawyer, politician and diplomat; Nathan Nandala Mafabi, Ugandan accountant, lawyer and politician, who represents Budadiri County West in Sironko district in the Parliament of Uganda.
Thanks, Jaqi. That was very informative. Now that we know much about your homeland, let's go room touring.
This is Casa Del Turista. So here we got a work table and a chair. And we have that beautiful African fabric. This is our beautiful bed. Enock loves it. You see the African coordination from this bed throw and those cushions. They're African fabric printed and they coordinate with these 3 beautiful art pieces. These are our fresh towels. We haven't used them. So the bathroom. So you have the blue, you have a simple eco bathroom with a wooden mirror. Fresh airs from my ancestors. So this is our balcony outside. We're finally taking you to Mbale. This is our first time in Mbale as a city. Alright.
Thanks, Jackie. I really appreciate your knowledge on home decor. Still to come, the people we meet, another top place to eat in Kampala, one we visited before the lockdown. Coming up is our travel experience of the week.
Wanale Hill. Considered a sleeping tourism giant of Mbale by some writers, Wanale Ridge or Hill is just 6 kilometers away from Mbale town. Any visitor to the new Mbale City will see it, standing tall with pride and gloriousness. It is such an imposing beauty from a distance. This ridge has had a magical appeal for many. If you have been to Mbale, it seems to be a stone throw away from the city. It covers a huge portion of Bugisu's land surface. Standing at a height of 6,864 feet, the Wanale Ridge can be viewed from all areas in Mbale and neighboring districts. This towering ridge adjacent to Mbale City has glowing stony hills that look like a white sheet. That is why Semei Kakungulu, the colonial agent, described it as a white cock Nkokonjeru. Although little is said about Wanale, it is worth visiting. This place has had unique happenings and history. Wanale is believed to be a place where Nabalwa, the Kalenjin woman who prevailed upon Masaba to get circumcised before they got married, came from on her way from Kenya.
We are hiking to Wanale. Our guide here, Jero, told us that it's going to be very near.
Is this the end of the road for you?
Sorry, Naki,
My name is Mbale Gerald, a tour guide in Mbale. Wanale Falls comes from the name Wanale. He's one of the guys that came from Masaba. He's one of the sons of Masaba. So he was given this portion of land to take care of it. The lockdown has majorly affected the tourism in this region. Personally, I have an experience. So I had a few bookings that were cancelled because of the lockdown. And so that made me, lose the clientele and the experience I would give to my clients. I had 4 bookings. 2 were from the United States, and the other one was from Uganda, and another one was from Netherlands. So they were cancelled due to the lockdown.
Always remember to carry water and to wear proper hiking shoes when going on a hike. That was our travel tip of the week. Now, let's go to Tamarai. My name is Enock and this is Jaqi, and together we are
Enock and Jaqi.
All right.
So today we raid another great kitchen. Remember, we're also kitchen raiders. Do remember to join that page, Kitchen Raiders East Africa, so you know what great kitchens have what for you. This is Tamarai in Lower Kololo.
Oh yes, oh yes.
And they are Thai.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And in a bit you'll be meeting our great chef. You see all these things. He gonna use all these things. He gonna cook everything here. I don't know what that's called.
That's right.
Yeah. So right, let's meet our chef and let's know exactly what he's gonna be doing. What's your name?
Hello, Sawadee Krab.
Sawadee Krab.
My name Pisha. I'm the head chef here of Tamale. I come from Thailand.
He's Thai.
Yes.
See how professional this is? He's Thai and the cuisine is Thai.
Yes.
So what are we cooking today?
Today we have green curry prawn, the Thai cuisine, and pad Thai chicken.
This is pad Thai.
Yeah, pad Thai is Thai noodle. You know, it's popular there in my country.
Pad Thai chicken.
Pad Thai chicken, yeah.
And this is?
And this is rice noodle.
Oh, dried noodles.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to cook all these things?
Prawn? Yes.
Curry first. Everything is going in?
Yeah.
Oh, no, boy.
So just first we put the vegetables first.
Oh, the greens, the vegetables first.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
The prawn and basilic.
Ah. Cream curry. Binono ya boilo. Mata. Boilo. We done?
Yeah.
How many minutes was that?
For the prawn we not cook a long time.
2 minutes?
2 minutes, yeah.
We're done cooking. What I love is where it's going in the pumpkin.
Yeah.
Just 1 egg. Okay. All right. And enough gas. This is? Oh, peanuts, okay. Oh, you slice it. So it's omelets and noodles in omelette, wrapped in omelets. Chef. Let's enjoy.
We are digging in.
Yeah.
And we are starting with chicken leg with what's this?
In orange soup.
Orange spicy
Soup. Sauce.
Yeah. So
Okay.
right here.
I'm not chili, but if I have loved it, you will love it. We had tamarai right here at Lower Kololo. Enock is also having his taste at the chicken leg. But I love the way they present their food. It's really
Orange,
unique.
Spicy.
Sauce. Nice. Really spicy, but it's really nice.
Yeah.
If I don't eat chili and I can say it's nice and I'm gonna eat it then. So Naki, this here is rendang beef.
Rendang what?
Rendang beef.
Apparently from Indonesia
And Malaysia. Yeah, it's an Indo-Malaysian
I
dish.
can't wait to,
Taste, dig
it.
in. Okay.
All
So
right,
you want
I'm
to just be honest or?
I'm going to. I'm told it's served with
rice.
Yeah.
So yeah, you gotta serve it with rice. Even if you have only this, make sure you get rice. Rendang, intint. Okay.
Some chili though, but it's good. What is known as pad Thai chicken from, of course, Thailand.
Tamaran.
Yeah,
From
here in
Thailand.
Uganda you can only get it at Tamarai,
Yeah.
but it's a Thai.
Thai cuisine.
Yeah.
What's interesting is with this one, with this Thai, pad Thai chicken, it's pad Thai?
Pad Thai chicken.
Yeah, pad Thai chicken, is the noodles are imported straight from Dubai. So you don't need a flight to Dubai if you love the noodles there. You can have that right here in Uganda, and that's why we do top places, for you to know exactly where to get what. So here it is, specially brought from Dubai for you here.
Tell us, how does it taste? Pad Thai chicken. How does it taste?
It's sweet, like it has it's sweet, as in sweet. So this is green curry. Like the Indians have tikka masala for almost everything. These guys do green curry, the Thai. It looks like milk, it looks like cream. It comes with a lot of vegetables, and this one here also has prawns. So I'll test the soup first.
I don't know, it tastes more like fish. Yeah?
The food is really awesome. We want to thank all our partners. Pew!
Production guy.
We want to thank every restaurant that let us into their kitchens,
Oh yeah, that's
into
very
your
important.
space.
Whoa! That was a lot of food. Thanks for watching Travel with Enock Jaqi. That's all we had time for this week. Let's continue this conversation on social media. Remember, we don't tell you, we show you. See you next week.